Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of exponential function and context and data modeling. Let's solve it together. This is related to climate awareness campaign reach. So let's read it. An organization tracks the reach of its climate awareness campaign each month. What function best describes the increasing reach? T is in terms of months. R of T is the people reached, and the data of T is given 0 through 4, and R of T is 1000 till 2856. To solve these questions, you're going to substitute given values for T, and then you look for their equivalents. So let's start with 0. When we substitute 0 for T, we're supposed to get 1000. In choice A, 0 times 300, 0 plus 1000 is 1000, that works. Choice B, 1.3 to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 1000 is 1000. Yes, that works. Choice C, 1000 times 1.5 to the power of 0. Same thing, 1000. 1300 times 0 is 0, so that's why the choice D will be eliminated in this case. What if I will substitute 1? I'm supposed to get 1300. So 300 times 1 is 300 plus 1000 is 1300, that works. And the choice B, 1.3 to the power of 1 times 1000, that also works. Choice C, 1.5 to the power of 1 is 1.5 times 1000 is 1500. This doesn't work. That's why we eliminate the choice C. If I will substitute 2 for the T, I should get 1690. So when I substitute 2 for T in the choice A, 2 times 300 is 600 plus this 1600. This doesn't work. Then we eliminate the choice A. But when I substitute 2 in the choice B, 1.3 to the power of 2 is 1.69. When you multiply by 1000, you get 1690. That's exactly what we're looking for. Therefore, the correct answer is choice B for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.